All right, everyone. So I got my watch back from Seiko, and it is working. Is it working perfectly? No. So if you notice, the issue before was the power reserve wasn't registering correctly. And I'll run through with you what it's doing now. Or you could see from the factory coming back, it is full, but it is actually just a hair or a tick past the full. It's kind of hard to see there, but well, it looks like it's registering full, right? But I mean, it's just a hair, just a hair. Not a huge deal, especially for all the time it's been gone. It was probably a total of 6 weeks from the time I sent it off to the time I got it back. But it's working, and I'll show you here if I'll go ahead and set it down, and I'll give you a quick run through. So here's the chrono feature, stopwatch, right? So the power reserve hand went to 0, and the minute hand, or the second hand, is sweeping. So it's sweeping. We'll stop it. I'll get that glare out of there. And we'll reset it. Boom, second hand resets to the 12 o'clock position. And that is actually just a hair off. Now I calibrated it and reset it as well. Now if I leave this sit on all your watches, if you leave it sit, these chronos, the power reserve will jump back to the battery reading, or the power reserve reading gauge, I should say. Its last reading. It'll jump back, or you can just go ahead and hit the C button, or the pusher, the second pusher, the reset pusher, and it'll bring it back to its current power setting. So yeah, it's working, coming back, or got it back, and seems to be just fine. Full charge and good to go. Holding time so far. I've had it for a few hours now, and it seems to be working a-okay. Hope that helps for those looking to send it out and back. Like I said, turnaround time. It didn't go to Japan. I believe it went to somewhere on the East Coast. I think it was New Jersey. I'll double check the shipping label, but if you got any questions on that, I'll post it in the comments. But thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Have a good one. God bless.